This is an incredibly advanced title generator. It's very different to your typical title generator where you might enter a keyword and just get a bunch of titles. This one allows you a lot of flexibility. So let me go through this. You enter in a keyword. Now this allows you to put in a URL. So if you already have your website up and published, you can put in the URL. But in most cases, you haven't published your site or the page you're working on, and you want to try and work out the best title and meta description for that particular page. So that's the use case I'm going to do first. All you have to do is paste in the content of your page. So I'm going to go to another one of my pages. I'm just going to copy the content from this existing page. It doesn't have to be a lot of content. I'm just going to copy it all from the page. I'm going to paste in that content. Then you can define what type of blog it is. So I am going to select the blog style is going to be technology. So it's a technology blog. The post style is a how-to guide. So this is so advanced that you put in all these parameters and it will give you a title and a meta description for your page based on these parameters. I'm going to say it's a professional tone of voice used in the blog post, and I can decide whether I want to use emojis in the title or not. I'm going to say, look, let the AI determine whether emojis should be used or not based on the content I've put in here and based on the tone of voice and the style of post. I'm going to hit generate. Okay, this is going to go away, have a bit of a think, using all those parameters, read the content, and then it's going to come back with the titles, right? Suggested titles with emojis. So notice how they are very much aligned with the content that I put in. The content I put in is from my page over here, which is a YouTube to MP3 converter. I just copied and pasted the guide from that page into here, pressed on that blue generate meta tags button, and it's given me some nice titles with emojis and some meta descriptions that I can also use. Okay, so let's load this page again. I'm going to refresh it. I'm going to grab the URL this time. Okay, so if you already have a page and you want to optimize the title and the meta description, put in the keyword, right, YouTube to MP3 converter. This time I'm going to paste in the URL. My parameters are going to be the same. It's still going to be a technology blog. Post style is a how-to guide. Professional tone as the voice. Okay. And I'm going to again say to the system, let the AI determine whether emojis should be used or not. Hit on the generate meta tags. Now this goes away and actually reads, it scrapes the page, the URL you've put in there. Okay. And it comes back with some suggested titles. There you go. So look again, it's based on the content in the page. Okay, I can choose and optimize my titles from these suggestions and also go ahead and optimize the meta description. Notice that the meta description has those keywords in there. It's very important from an SEO perspective. Okay, you can simply copy with this copy button to copy the results. So a very useful tool. Browse to aqrecommends.com/tools/SEO title generator with hyphens between those three words. Link in the description in the video.